This machine with 3 extruders is a 3 and E-layer bubble film production equipment T. This is the frame for the laminating product. The 2-meter wide mold starts working, producing a liquid film. The bubble roller starts to work and forms bubbles by vacuuming the end. Here the mold leaves the plastic film to form a third covering film. Now it's time to trim the waste edge automatically into the waste edge recycling machine. Here a few rollers can play a storage logistics function better for winding. Automatic winding neat and beautiful to make the best products. You can choose paper tube or cloth bag on the inflatable shaft to save money. This online crusher recycles the waste directly into the second floor of the extruder. Look at the nice stretch of bubble cloth. Simple and easy to operate temperature control instrument. Safe and stable automatic cutting function video display finished.